Almost no one knows anything about the human microbiota, but we all know that there are germs everywhere. Germs that are on our bodies, that live there normally and live inside our bodies as well, are called the human microbiota. I've taken a few courses in microbiology that allow me a deeper insight into the matter of microorganisms and will allow me to explain this topic better to you guys. I'll do this by first talking about what the human microbiota is, where we get it from, where they are, and how much of them exactly we have, how many bacteria we have in our body. Second, I'm going to talk about what the impact of their presence do, how they work. For my first main point, what is the human microbiota? The human microbiota are just microorganisms that live on our bodies naturally. They aren't exclusive to humans though. A lot of animals have them. Most animals have them, matter of fact. A lot of dogs have them, a lot of cats have them, birds have them, even insects have microbiota. However, we acquire these microbiota. We're not born naturally with them. And a lot of this acquisition process occurs as the child or as the young animal or whatever is being born. Now, exactly how much of these are in our body? Well, microorganisms occupy several niches in our body, and a niche is any part of the body that they call home. So there are several niches throughout the body. There's niches in the mouth, there's niches on the skin, on the ears, in our guts. There's niches in also like the reproductive area, and so on and so forth. According to an article on the National Institute of Health's website, bacteria in our body outnumber your body cells 10-1. So there are a lot of bacteria in our body. And these can contribute about 1 to 2 pounds of an individual's body weight. Now that we've discussed that, for my second main point, I want to talk about the relationship we have with these microorganisms. These microorganisms have something called a symbiotic relationship with us, which is any kind of biological relationship in any biological system where the two organisms help each other out and live together and are happy together. Us, we are completely dependent on these microorganisms for our health. They help with digestion, drug and nutrient absorption, they help with immunity, etc. According to the article by Psychology Today, bacteria in your gut, microbiota in the live in your gut, can also affect your brain directly, influencing mood, attentiveness, and even depression. They can also make us sick. That's another relationship they have with us. This can occur if the microbiota is translocated from its natural site to another part of the body. So there's microbiota that live in your mouth and they're translocated by maybe your brushing or something you eat to your throat. That could cause you a sore throat and so on and so forth. Another way that they can make us sick is by prolonged antibiotic use. So antibiotics that we take kill both good bacteria and bad bacteria. I mean, they kill the good bacteria, they kill the bad ones as well. And if the good bacteria are dead, then bad bacteria that are in your environment, in your food, etc., can go into your body and make you sick because these good bacteria are no longer there to protect us. In conclusion, today I spoke about the human microbiota, I spoke about other parts of the body where they're found, I spoke about how they can affect us. But today I'm going to leave you with this. Since bacteria outnumber our cells 10-1, are we mostly bacteria or are the bacteria mostly us? Thanks.